appreciate that if you know the brand name Yamaha for its famous motorcycle and the piano or other stuff. Meanwhile, I'm afraid that you guys do not know the Yamaha robotics business very well yet. But we have been doing industrial robot business already for more than 40 years. And we have been supplying our robotic solutions even to Korea for around 30 years. And yeah, I'm quite proud to work for industrial robot business for Korean market on behalf of Yamaha robotics business as general manager of the robotics division, sales and marketing. So we are showcasing our linear conveyor module and other type of robot like SCARA robot and 픽앤플레이스 robot, linear actuators, and Cartesian robot. Working along with linear conveyor module. So it means that we can supply kind of total solution for middle size pick-and-place assembly or inspection solution for customers in Korea. We have been supplying a lot of linear conveyor modules to the customers in Korea, mainly for lithium-ion battery things or electronic things. And then we now need to strengthen our before sales and after sales support. And this year we launched our new department at our branch office, Yamaha Robotics Korea. The new division is Factory Automation Division. And we have our engineers there, and then we can supply much better before after service to our customers in Korea. So firstly, I would say that we have a Korean branch office named Yamaha Robotics Korea that consists of three main business: semiconductor business, and the surface mounted technology business, and factory automation. Factory automation meaning that we are working for industrial robot. Now, as I mentioned, we supplied a lot of linear conveyor, SCARA, and so forth to Korean customers. And then what we have to do now is strengthening our service to such customers. That's why we launched the new division, factory automation, and we have engineers there. I would like you to have opportunities to look at our product as early as possible, and if you'd like to figure out what your issues are, and if you'd like to solve the issues with us, please feel free to reach out with Yamaha and the Yamaha partners here in Korea. And lastly, what I want to underline is that we are the global company. And we have our sales and support offices all over the world. And recently, as far as I know, a lot of Korean companies are going to the Southeast Asia or US, Europe. So I'm proud that we can support the Korean customers all over the world. That's what I want to say. Thank you very much.